there is a lot of content, guides, textbook courses, and certificates available on agile product management. Well, and there's a lot of confusion of exactly what agile is and how do we apply it, right? Well, if these are your doubts, these are your concerns, and you want to understand what agile product management is, hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Hello, everyone. This is Afreen Rahman. And like I said, since there is a lot of material, a lot of content available on agile product management, honestly, you don't need all of that because at its core, agile product management is built around a simple people oriented philosophy. Now, many of the processes in the agile forms are simple and easy to understand, yet the complexity arises through misunderstood expectations, roles, and processes, right? So, in this video, definitely I'll very, in simple terms, explain what agile product management is and what exactly is that philosophy, right? And to start with, a common misconception is that agile is not a process. Rather, it's a philosophy around how teams can effectively collaborate to work towards achieving a goal. Now, the original Agile Manifesto, which was published in 2001, it expresses the Agile principles in four ways. Number one is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Number two is working software over comprehensive documentation. Third is customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Now, that is exactly the soul of agile product management. There is no mention whatsoever of story points or swim lanes or sprints or stand-ups or whatever it is, right? Now, but if you look at some of the finer points of agile product development mindset, the mindset basically focuses on it's people focused, right? It's user focused, right? It's challenging, right? It's incredibly challenging, and it is quite lean in practice is crucial, right? Where laser focus on the outcomes keep agile's team moving towards the goal with little distraction. Now, if you talk about agile flow basically has four basic steps, which is strategy, experiment, test, and validate, right? Now, if we talk about strategy, right? So great agile development starts with good strategy and alignment, right? It brings everyone on the team into a room, right? Or even on a Zoom meeting these days, and it can do wonders to establish a unified product vision and direction, right? Then comes experiment, right? Everything is an experiment right out of the gate, right? The first focus chunk of work you should do should be time boxed and then tested with users, right? And this can be incredibly rudimentary, even as simple as crude sketches you walk someone through with, right? So the point is to approach your work with the mindset of the scientific method, right? Then comes test. So each experiment should be tested qualitatively and quantitatively, right? With a regular review of the result, you will have the tools you need to confirm that what your team is building is of value and will be accepted in the market. Then comes the validate stage. So after you have released like a new feature into the wild, keep a pulse check on it, right? It is being like, how is it being used? Are people finding it useful? Have the other areas of your product been positively or negatively impacted by this feature being introduced, right? So regularly reviewing and checking in what you release after it is done will provide you, with more tools and guidance to make even better decisions. And then in the last comes repeat, and this is the most important step. Continue to circle back through the agile process flow like an engine, right? This flow is intentionally cyclical, and it is not lateral, right? Because it encourages learning. You learn from it, you adapt from it, you celebrate it, and you embrace the flow of change. Well, this for me, it was in short what exactly agile methodology is and what agile product management is. I hope it has been simple enough. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments if you like the video. And every time there's a new video ahead, you will certainly get notified first. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.